What? This phone folds twice? And then it turns into a full 10-inch screen? I had to see it with my own eyes to believe it. That was me staring at Samsung's Galaxy Z Trifold, and honestly, this thing isn't just another foldable. It's straight up wild. First, the double fold. Open one layer, then another, and boom! Suddenly, you're staring at a full-on tablet. Feels unreal the first time. Like, how is this even a phone in my pocket? Samsung even thought of the small stuff. One layer slightly longer so your fingers can find it faster, magnets that lift the middle panel. It's like the phone's doing the work for you. No joke, and the screen, and it changes everything. Apps don't just stretch, they rearrange themselves like a real tablet. Scroll less, see more. Your photos, messages, YouTube, all blown up. Watching videos feels like holding a mini TV, and gaming, straight up next level. I even tried Samsung Health versus a normal fold, and it's like switching from a tiny window to a panoramic view. No exaggeration. Wait, can this foldable actually replace your main camera? Samsung basically lifted the camera setup from the Z Fold 7. You've got a 200 megapixel main camera that's absolutely sharp for everyday shots. But then there's the 10 megapixel 3x zoom and the 12 megapixel ultra wide, which are fine. Not mind blowing, but usable. Here's where it gets nuts. Samsung DeX, no monitor needed. Before, you had to plug into a screen. Now, your phone is the screen. Move apps around, run multiple desktops, multitask like a pro. You can even connect a second display. Boom, dual screen power from a single phone. Pocket-sized laptop vibes, for real. Big screen equals big battery, right? Samsung packed 5,600 milliamp hours split into 3 parts, plus 45-watt fast charging included. Not many phones even include that anymore. You're covered all day. Now, I won't sugarcoat it. This thing is heavier than your normal phone, and yeah, the inner screen needs a little TLC, but honestly, once you see what you can do on this massive display, all the extra weight is totally worth it. So here's the big question. Is the Galaxy Z Trifold just an expensive flex? Or is this the future of phones? Because after messing with it, I'm thinking Samsung didn't just make another foldable. They might have made the first phone that can actually replace your tablet and laptop. So how much would you pay for a phone that folds not once, but twice? The Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold hasn't even got an official US price yet, but estimates put it somewhere between $2,450 and $2,620 for the 16GB RAM, 512GB model. And yeah, that's just the starting point. What do you think? Worth it or way too wild for your pocket? What feature are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all the latest tech news.